Can you see yourself in the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.